Welcome to my channel. It's your girl, Devon Nicole. I am back today with another unboxing. So today we will be unboxing the IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of July 2021. This is the bag in question. If you are new to my channel, let me just tell you a little bit about me. This channel does unboxings of beauty and lifestyle unboxings, as well as product reviews and hauls. So today we will be unboxing the IPSY bag July 21. This is a monthly subscription. This bag is $25 a month. So we're going to get right into this bag and get to this unboxing. So guys, I love when they send us these little sack bags because I can always put so much different stuff in it. If you are traveling, these bags are great to put so many different little things you need, your little knickknacks for traveling. So always find a way to reuse these bags and make the most of them. So our first product that we have that we're taking out the bag is Dr. Eve, it looks like Ryuth. I'm probably saying it incorrectly, but this is a vitamin C night moisturizer. Now, I am not familiar with this product. This is the first time I've seen this in the Glam bag. Vitamin C is normally good to brighten your skin, so I'm assuming that is what this is for. And everything is written in yellow, which is really bad for my little eyes here that can't see any of this stuff. So this is a vitamin C moisturizer that they recommend that you use at night. Just put a little bit on your hand, rub into your skin. And again, vitamin C is good for brightening the skin, especially if you have any dark marks. I would highly recommend that you go with vitamin C, or you're trying to clear up any kind of acne marks that have been left. These vitamin C products are always great for things like that. So that's our first product. And let's go to the next product. So our next product that I have is from Tarte. This is Tarte C Jelly Glaze. This is color Toasted Coconut. Okay, so do we even get to see? All right, so there's the product is coming out. It looks like that, and I'm just going to put a little on my hand so you guys can get a feel for what this looks like. And this is a jelly glaze, which to me is more like a lip gloss, but it looks like it goes on pretty sheer. I was just trying to get enough out for you guys to see the color. I am not familiar with this product from Tarte. I'm familiar with Tarte, but not this particular product. So what does this say? Anytime lip mask. So basically it's just a lip mask. So the color is Toasted Coconut. It goes on very sheer, as we can see. And I've never used this before, so I'm very curious to see how it goes on. It feels fine on my skin, but you know, your lips can sometimes need a lot more love than we actually can get from some of the products. So I hope this works for me, but I'll be glad to give it a try. Our next product we have is from Beauty Stat. Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner. So this is for all skin types, and this product is supposed to brighten as well as retexturize and firm the skin. Clinically tested to decrease the look of fine line and wrinkles and improve firm skin tones. So let's take it out the box and get a better view of it. This does appear to be a full-size product, and this is how it comes in this container here. And I'm sure it's just and it comes out in a pump form, so I doubt it's anything particularly fancy about it. It's just a cream. So basically it's fragrance-free, dermatologically tested, smooth over cleanse, dry skin, AM or PM. So you can use this in the morning or at your night routine, whatever you prefer. So this will be cool to try. So this is a Universal Vitamin C Skin Refiner. Is there anything else special about this product? This product does contain green tea, and this doesn't seem to be that exciting to me. I don't know about the rest of you, but these first two skincare products are not that exciting, and it's probably because I've never heard of the brands. I'm not familiar with them. So I'm not that uber impressed. I do like vitamin C products. I do like things that help to firm up the skin. As we get older, you know, we start losing some of that volume and that elasticity that helps make our skin pop and looks great and looks young. So I'll be glad to try them, but I'm just telling you, I'm not too impressed with these two. I mean, So we got 2 more products to go, guys, and actually 3 more products. So what I usually don't do is I normally don't test out the products before I actually get them, but I did for these last 3. So the next product that I'm going to unveil is going to be Patrick Ta, and this is a blush that I received. So I was pretty excited to receive this, super duper excited. I got this in the color She's Passionate. So this is a blush. This is like a light pink color. And I typically do well with the light pink. So this is the blush that I am wearing tonight. I did put this on just to give you guys just an idea what it looks like on my skin. This is the color that I received. This is how it looks in its palette. And I thought it was a nice looking color. Some of these pinks, you know, like I have to put a lot of it on, but I can get away with wearing it. I just dusted a little bit on there just so you guys can see what it looks like. But I am wearing it on my cheeks. I had to put quite a bit on because it was so light. But you can still see it on my cheeks though. I think it showed up pretty well. And I was excited to get this product. So this was my happy product. And I know this product typically kind of retails for about $30 if you had to go in the store and buy it. So this is a good one for me. This is my top fave out of the whole box, out of the whole bag rather. And my next product that I have, we received is this Hip Dot, and this is the Sun Goddess palette that they gave us. And this palette is supposed to have you looking all golden looking. So let me show you. So you get 4 shades in this palette. You're a sun goddess even if you haven't spent any time in the sun. Create the ultimate sun-kissed look with these 4 highlights, blush shades, and a soft blendable formula. So I did use this palette here to create the highlight. So this is what the palette looks like. And I actually use this shade here for my highlight. This shade is called Golden Hour. So I did put that right above my blush, and I did a little bit above my below my eyebrow rather, just to give it a little bit of pop. And I like it. I thought it blended pretty good. I like the colors. I liked how everything blended out. I am very happy with this. I loved how everything looked. As you can see the highlights on my skin and the eyebrows. That's where I just put it just to pop it. But I'm very happy with the color selection. I think you could kind of play around and use these so much. Like this could be a blush shade, as well as these other ones. You could kind of blend them in and also use them for like eyeshadows as well. So I wouldn't just stop at just using them for a highlighter. I would kind of use them also for eyeshadow shade as well. So you can get your more bang for your buck. So the next one, the final product that we have here, I have is the Golden Hour. And this is from Beauty For Real. This is a eyeshadow palette. And the palette is inspired by illuminating light from golden rays of the sun. This is a rich tone eyeshadow palette featured with 8 alluring shades with versatile range of velvety mattes to shivering metallics and toppers to create a sultry sun-kissed look. So I did use this palette for my eyeshadow, and I'm going to tell you which ones I use. So these are our colors, if you guys can see. And I opted for the Ablaze color as my base. So that is this color right here. I use that for the base of my eyeshadow. And then I went in with the Solstice as my second shade for like right in here in the first half of the corner. And then I finished up with Golden Ray just to put a little pop on the middle section of my eyebrow. So guys, in review, we did have 5 products for our July bag. We have the Dr. Eva Ryuth Vitamin C Night Moisturizer. We have Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner. And we have the Tarte C Jelly Glaze. So those are our 3 kind of skincare products. Then we have our Golden Hour Eye Palette, followed up with Patrick Taz. I dropped Patrick Taz. What if I gotta get Patrick Taz? And we also have our bronzer, like blush palette by Hip Dot. And we have the Golden Hour here. I am pretty pleased with my IPSY Glam bag for July 2021. You guys, tell me what you think about this bag. I thought my eyeshadow look came out really great from the eye palette. I like the Patrick Ta product. I also thought the the blush kind of highlighter palette was a good play too. I like the way it blended it out. It was easy to work with. The only things I probably weren't too excited about were our skincare products, because I've never heard of these companies. I mean, that's good too, but I'm just not familiar with them, so I wasn't super excited about these 2 products. I have a lot of vitamin C products, skin refiner, not so much, so I'll be glad to try that one out. But overall, I thought it was a pretty decent bag. You guys let me know what you liked out the box. Let me know if there was anything that you were looking for me to try out, or if you would like me to play with and show you how I use it in my day-to-day. And let me know what you got in your glam bag. Please like, please subscribe. And again, thank you again, guys, for visiting my channel. Bye, YouTube.